Okay, folks, what is better than just listening to music in your car? It's watching the actual music video that goes along with this song. So I've been doing this for years. I've had aftermarket radios, like Android radios in my vehicles and stuff. It's been probably 10, 12 years now. Um, and I've always been doing this, just ripping the video off of YouTube and putting it onto a flat USB flash drive, plugging it in my car, and watching the video as the music plays. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. First, you just want to open up your browser, um, whether it's Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, whatever you like to use, that's fine. In the search bar here, we're just going to type in YouTube to Mp4 downloader. And the very first one that comes up for me is called iyoutube2mp4.com. This is the one that I like to use. I'm sure some of these other ones that you see down here probably work as well, but I've been using this one for years and I'm just comfortable with it and it works out great for me. So we're just going to click on this and it's going to open up this site here. Then we're going to click over here, just go to YouTube. For this video, I can't show you another person's music. But what I can do is I can use a video that I've created that I own the rights to. So for example, we're just going to go with this video here. This is just about a Keurig coffee maker. All you have to do is just go up here to your address line. You just want to left click on it once. It's going to highlight the whole entire address. Right click once. Come down here and you're going to go to copy. Left click on the word copy. All right, we got the address now. You just want to come back over here to the other tab that you have open of your YouTube downloader, and you're going to paste what we just copied off of YouTube into this address bar here. So you just want to right click once, come down here to paste, add that in here, and we're going to hit go. And from here, it's going to pull up a little preview of the video that you want to download. It gives you options of what kind of quality you want. I'm going to click the best quality possible for the video. And you're just going to hit convert. And it may take a little bit of time. All right, there, it took about 2 seconds. And here's showing you that it's an 18-minute video. And we're just going to click download. That easy. Sometimes a little advertisement pop-up will come up right here. You just want to X out of that. Stay over here. Come down here. You're seeing that the video is downloading here in your corner. Mine has 30 seconds to still finish the download. And once we download this, all you have to do is you're just going to copy and paste it onto your actual flash drive. It's that easy, people. So here, as that's downloading, I'm just going to plug a flash drive into my computer. But people, all your friends are going to love this. Like, they get in your car and they're like, wow, not just music, you have the music video to go along with it. Like, and a lot of newer vehicles, we're just going to shrink this drive here. A lot of newer vehicles allow you to plug in a flash drive for music, and some will just play music videos off that as well. But definitely, if you have an aftermarket Android radio or an Apple CarPlay radio, that kind of stuff, it'll definitely work on those. So then you're just going to click here, and here is the copy of the video we just had on YouTube. Now it's actually on my computer itself. You can see that. So you just want to close out of that. You're going to come down here to the bottom of the screen here in your search bar, and you're going to type in downloads. This is going to be your personal file of all your downloaded music. So right here today, we downloaded this video about your Keurig coffee maker. I'm going to right click on it. We're going to come over here to copy. We're going to left click the word copy. So now we have this video. And a minute ago, here's my USB flash drive that I stuck in my computer that popped up. You can just make a new folder, call it music videos. And then you're just going to right click once, left click the word paste, and now it's going to copy that music video or whatever video you may have used. In this case, we used a Keurig video. It's now copying it to your USB drive, your flash drive. It's just going to take a couple seconds here because it was a long video. It was an 18-minute video that we did. But yeah, I like to sit here and I'll do, you can, I mean, you know, depending on your USB flash drive, even a small 8 gig flash drive, it'll hold probably 200 music videos, and I do that all the time. So now we actually have the video on my flash drive. I'll click on it. Here's playing the video now. And then here in a minute, I'll go out to my car and I'll plug it in to my Android radio, and I will show you how it plays on the radio itself. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video so far. If you can, please like this video, because when you like the video, it helps promote it towards other people that are interested in music videos for their cars. Please subscribe to the channel. I post all kinds of cool automotive videos, do-it-yourself videos, hacks, that kind of thing. But here, we'll go out to the car and I'll show you how easy it is to work. Alright guys, now we're out here in my vehicle. I have an aftermarket Android radio. I'm just going to show you what's already on my USB flash drive that's in the car. So I'm just going to scroll over here to video, and here are, I can't really play it for you, but here are music videos that I've downloaded. So not only do you have music, but you also have the video to go along with it. Simple as that, folks. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.